Welcome to the world of luxury craftsmanship. Today, we take you inside the factory. Specialists safely observe these leopards to study their unique patterns for synthetic design development. And this is the complete process, from raw leopard skin to world-class luxury products, crafted with precision, technology, and expert hands.
In a secure observation zone, specialists safely study leopard behavior and patterns for advanced material design.
In these secure pods, specialists observe the leopard's natural patterns using advanced digital scanning systems. In these secure pods, specialists observe the leopard's natural patterns using advanced digital scanning systems.
A non-invasive scanner checks the leopard's health and records detailed pattern data for analysis.
The resting leopards move toward a scanning chamber, where advanced sensors capture their unique fur patterns.
The resting leopards are now shifted into the next chamber, where advanced scanners capture every detail of their natural patterns too.
After scanning, the factory separates the synthetic fiber blocks and the printed pattern sheets. The
leopard skins are now transferred to a dedicated washing unit where the full cleaning cycle begins.
Special cleaning solutions and gentle washing prepare the patterned sheets for the next stage of finishing.
The synthetic leopard skins now pass through a high-pressure wash tunnel for deep surface cleaning.
The cleaned synthetic skins are now moved to a controlled drying chamber for final moisture removal.
The dried synthetic leopard skins now move toward the precision cutting zone.
Laser scanners trace perfect lines over every leopard pattern sheet.
Robotic blades shape the synthetic leopard skin with exact accuracy. Each cut section of leopard skin is sorted for the next forming stage. The sorted leopard skin panels are transferred into crates for controlled storage.
Every leopard skin panel is stored carefully for controlled processing.
The stored leopard skins now travel to the expert crafting zone.
The leopard skin sheets are softened to prepare them for shaping.
Controlled heat locks the leopard pattern firmly into the material.
High-pressure die cutters shape the leopard skin into exact pieces. Skilled workers refine the edges for a clean finish.
After washing, each leopard skin is transferred into automated color tanks, where experts give it the perfect shade for premium luxury products.
Once the skins are fully dried, they are moved into an advanced laser cutting machine, where each leopard skin is
After the small accessories are completed, the expert workers begin crafting luxury leopard skin shoes with precision stitching. Once the shoes are completed, the same premium leopard skin is also crafted into high-end mobile covers, which pass through a fully automated inspection line.
After mobile covers and wallets, the leopard skin is also crafted into premium fashion caps, checked carefully to maintain perfect quality.